If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings. Then in settings, we're gonna go to connected devices. And then in here, if you already have your Bluetooth device on, if you have powered it on, and it is supposed to be connected with your Motorola Edge 70 Pro, but it doesn't, and it doesn't display over here in media devices or saved devices, then you can go to connection preferences, then go to Bluetooth, and then you want to turn off Bluetooth, and then we're gonna also turn off your Bluetooth device, then turn Bluetooth back on, and turn your Bluetooth device back on as well. Then we should be able to go back to connected devices over here to this menu and then check out if you can actually connect. Now, in case you have your device here in saved devices, or maybe even here in media devices, and it still doesn't work, then you can go to settings and you want to completely forget the device and you want to pair it again. But before you can pair it again, it is recommended to turn the device back off and then turn it back on. And if your Bluetooth device has the pairing button, you want to of course use it. You want to put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode, and if your Bluetooth device does not have a pairing mode, then you want to make sure that the device is not connected to another device. So make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to, for example, another smartphone or just anything else. And then of course we want to pair it again, so we're gonna go to pair new device, and then you should be able to find it on this list of available devices. So of course we want to select it and confirm that we want to pair. Now, in case you still cannot properly pair your Bluetooth device, or if it just doesn't work for some reason, what you can also do is you can reset Bluetooth settings on your phone. So if you go back to settings on your phone, then we're gonna scroll down in here and go to system. Then in system, we're gonna choose reset options. And then here we should be able to find Bluetooth, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these two things. So if you decide to reset these settings, not only you will erase all Bluetooth devices from your phone, but you will also erase all Wi-Fi network connections that you had. So you will have to pair all your Bluetooth devices again, and also you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi networks again. But if you decide to reset these settings, then of course you want to go back to connected devices and try to pair your Bluetooth device one more time. Ideally, you want to turn off your Bluetooth device and turn it back on, just like before. And of course, remember about the pairing mode. Last but not least, if still you cannot use your Bluetooth device on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, what you can also do is you can perform factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting, but you should be able to find a guide or manual or some instructions in the user manual of your Bluetooth device, so be sure to check that out. And then surely you can find out how to factory reset your Bluetooth device. And once you do so, you want to of course try to pair your Bluetooth device again, and this time I'm pretty certain it is going to work. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.